In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the color temperature of a layer on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the layer you want to adjust the temperature for. It has to be visible as well over here on the right side. So go ahead and select that layer and then head up to the top and select the Colors tab and select where it says Color Temperature. You can adjust the temperature settings here. You can also modify blending options too. Select OK to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.